How to duplicate a page in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to Notion's website and log into your account. If you want the fastest login method, just click Continue with Google. Once you're in, go to your workspace and find the page you want to duplicate. It can be anything: a doc, a project, a template, whatever. Now here's the easy part. Look at the top of the page title. You'll see 3 little dots. That's the More Actions button. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Duplicate. That's it. Notion instantly creates a copy of your page, including all the content, structure, and formatting. And the best part? This works for simple pages and even complex ones with databases or nested content. Hope this helped. Hit the like button if it did, and I'll catch you in the next one.